Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Finding low market cap coins early is where the biggest opportunities can happen, but checking manually all day is impossible. In this video, I will show you how to set up custom alerts in GMGN AI so you never miss early activity. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined GMGN AI, you can use our referral code, which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for the referral link, which is available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever. Okay, so let me first clear you about the intro that I have just told you. Setting up custom GMGN alerts for low market cap coins in GMGN AI. Basically, GMGN AI don't have a specific option or the clear button for this setting up the alerts. So you might have seen a lot of YouTubers claiming that you can set up a custom alert for the new coin so that you can get and grab the opportunities on time and don't miss any kind of opportunity. But the thing is that there is no as such option. You have to do everything with them manually. But as you can see that these are the notifications that I have just appeared on the screen. As you have just seen, these are the automated notification by the GMGN AI that you can't modify them. Okay, but I will tell you how you can find the best coins in a short period of time so that you can make the best profit out of it. So you have to go to this search bar here. Okay, and you can check for the filter section here by tapping this button filter, and then you can select the type of the coin that you want to check. If you want to finding only migrated one or only OG token, you can select any of them, and you can select all these coins. If you want to search for, if you want to search for specific coin, you can just tap and then it will be selected. For now we are going to select all of them. Okay, and let's see. After that you can sort it your filters by checking this: sorted by time, sort by market cap, and sorted by volume, as well as the liquidity, and you can also check for their holders. Okay, so if you are new to GMG and AI, start with simple filters. Too many conditions can make you miss good opportunities. Okay, and avoid these mistakes: setting alerts too broad, ignoring volume and liquidity, and following alerts blindly. Custom alerts turn GMG and AI into a powerful discovery tool, bringing opportunities directly to you. If you want more tutorial like this, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. You can check for our previous video on the GMG and AI, and that's very educational video, and you can get a lot of information out of it. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.